Hey, DIY lovers, I'm back. Happy New Year. So what you see here, I asked my husband to stop by the side of the freeway just so that I can get PAMPAS grass for free. So this is what I did, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for subscribing. I love you all. Oh my god, you guys are just amazing. My channel is growing and growing. The last time I checked, we're on 200 subscribers. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you guys. So what you see me doing here, this is the following day in the morning. I took it out, and then what I'm doing here is just cleaning it out, taking off, removing the leaves, just so that we're only left with the stem. So that's what I'm doing, cutting it out. And unfortunately there were other stems that were broken because I was just pulling them, and because I was by the side of the freeway, so I didn't want to get arrested. So this is what I did, guys. So they are drying. I'm gonna leave them out here for a few days until they're dry, because at the moment they are still wet. So I'm gonna give them a few days to dry, and we shall see. Good morning, DIY lovers. So this is the following morning. Can you see how they expanded in size? I am super excited. I actually didn't know that it was going to be this big. So now just look at it. It dried up and then just got fluffy and huge in size. So apparently this is how you preserve it, by using a freezing spray, like the holding spray. So this is the spray that I'm going to use to keep it, because there are the small ones actually come off. Let me show you what I mean. When you do this, can you see that it comes off? So apparently if you use a holding spray, then it's gonna last you longer, like 3 to 4 years. So I want to try it out. So I'm just gonna use the spray. This is my weave spray. Well, the weave that I never get to wear. Yeah, but so I'm gonna use this, and then I'm not gonna use, I saw other people using a hair dryer, but I'm not gonna use a hair dryer because I'm gonna put it in the sun, and today it's a bit windy, so I think the wind will do the job for me. So stick around, let me show you how I'm gonna do it. Hope it works and it doesn't ruin my beautiful pampas grass. Alright guys. Okay. It actually freezes up. So I think using a hair dryer might actually do the trick. Can you see that? It's freezing. So I think my plan of not using a hair dryer might work against me. Can you see that? Okay, I'm getting a bit worried now. Let me try the hair dryer. So these are the ones that I bought from the shop. Can you see how tiny they are? Can you see this? These are very, very small. And I bought this bunch for 50 rands. I bought it next to China Mart. Yes. Can you see how small they are? Very, very tiny and very, very dry. Can you see that? So I'm gonna change it up and put the ones that I bought. Though no, I didn't buy. The ones that I found by the side of the road. Just check the difference. This is a massive, massive difference. Can you see that? This is so big. This is just tiny. So here it is. Can you see the difference? How huge this thing is. I actually feel like going back and asking for my money back, because I got this for free and it is so beautiful, guys. Can you see how big? Like, this is huge. This is massive. So this is how it looks like. And then I got this vase at China Mall. It was 230. Yes, I finally got it. Remember, there was a small table there, so I took it away. I put it somewhere that side. I'm gonna show you just now. I'm gonna show you right now, but I'm very happy. It looks beautiful and massive. So there's another one that I want to change it up, that side. So let us go that side so that you can see it. This is another one that I want to switch up. So this is the table that was there by the entrance. I moved it this side. So can you see how tiny this pampas grass is? The one that I bought at China Mall. Can you see how tiny it is? Look at the one on the floor. That's the one I picked up by the side of the road. So stay tuned as I switch it up. So I took them out and I wanted to count how many there are, and there's only 6 of them, yet they were so tiny. Just 6, guys. 6, can you imagine? And with the new ones there's only 4, but it makes a massive difference. I am so happy, guys. Like, even when I put 2, you'll see that even 2 is enough, because the vase is actually very small. So even if I just left these 2, can you see the difference? It's still big and bigger than the ones that I had put there. I'm super excited. You guys have no idea how excited I am. I'm very, very excited. One more thing, guys. One more thing. I know for sure that I can't be the only one who wants free pampas grass, right? And I think a lot of you are wondering, where exactly did I get mine? Well, funny story is I found mine on my way back home from China Square, right? And I bought mine from the guys that are selling the next to the robots. Can you see where the robots are? Next to China Square. I bought mine there. Those guys sell a bunch for 50 rands. On my way from I think it was 10 minutes from China Square, when I looked out the window, here's pampas grass outside, 10 minutes from where the guys usually stand to sell it to us for 50 rand. And I saw it, and unfortunately I couldn't stop the car because I was driving myself, and I couldn't just stop on the freeway just like that. And I was like, you know what, I have to come back. And then luckily for me, I was going to Val the same weekend. So we were driving past Gorvish City, that's where I got mine. There's a huge field, filled with pampas grass, and these ones, as you can see how huge mine are, they are so big. Just after you have passed Gorvish City, on your left there's a huge field there. So these guys are getting the pampas grass from there, and they're selling it to us. Can you imagine? That's why I'm so happy that I got it for free, and it's huge. If you go on Take a Lot, just check, you'll see how expensive this thing is. So you guys, you can get it by the side of the freeway. You can get it near a pond where there's water. You will definitely find it there. There you go, it is done. Can you see the difference? How big this one is compared to the one that I bought. I love it. Looks beautiful. Looks amazing. Looks really, really, really amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. And these ones, I'll find a place for them. The small ones, I'll find a place. Definitely, I'm gonna have to buy another vase so that I can put those ones. I'm thinking of putting them in the toilet, yeah, in the bathroom. So I think they're gonna look nice. Or this corner over here. I think if I can get another vase there and then put them there, it's gonna be nice. Yeah, so thank you very much, guys, for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking my videos. I love you, love you, love you, love you all. God bless you. Bye.